Hey, wait, look at this. Look at this. Traders, oh man, you're gonna love this. So, Terra Classic, right? It just jumped, like seriously jumped a massive 53%. I mean, we're talking up to around $0.000064 and the 24-hour volume. Oh wow, it's pumping. It's really pumping, which means people are actually paying attention, like real attention right now. This is wild. But here's the thing. Here's the thing everyone keeps poking at me about. Is this like the beginning of some huge bullish momentum? Or, oh man, are we staring right into a trap, like one of those sneaky little setups right before a pullback? I know, it's a lot. So in our latest update, we broke it all down, like really broke it down, key support zones, possible target levels, all that good stuff, so you can actually see what might be coming next. Whether you're jumping in short term or just watching from the sidelines, these levels totally matter. They really do. And listen, if you don't want to miss any of this, we just posted the full detailed analysis on Patreon. Links in the description and the tester plan, only $10. It's like this perfect little way to try the strategy out, see if it matches your vibe before going deeper. I love that. It's simple. It's clean. Take your time. Really look at the data. Let it all sink in. Make smart choices. And hey, DYOR, always, this isn't financial advice. Just, be smart. Stay patient, stay disciplined, and trade smart